after learning all sound, okay, then we continue with the letter O with the letter I. Okay, I, you have learned that it is a yi sound. Okay, so stretch out your mouth to read as a yi. Stretch out as far as you can. Yi. Okay, letter I, yi sound. So from O, letter O sound to yi sound. So you have learned that it is a smooth transition. Right? So keep the transition smoothly from letter O, from the O sound to the yi sound. Okay, so for OI, when you see OI, then it is oi, right? Stretch and make your mouth as wide as you can, and then stretch out, gradually stretch out. Keep the transition, okay? Oi, and then let's continue, and then poi, and then toi, noi, loi, goi, koi, and ngoi, h, hoi, and then the last three sounds, GTC, G, joy, choi, soy. Okay, so you can see clearly and hear clearly. It is a continuation, a transition of a gradual continuation of the sound from the initial to the final. So don't just oh like this, oh boy like this. Okay, so that is all for the OI.